1,993 meters high, and there, Mobilvetta Adventure.
Lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say.
Nearly at the top. I think I've got altitude sickness. Sally-Anne's out of breath. That's nothing to do with the piers and the pastelling we had at the top cafe there. And we'll take some pictures from when we get to the top. Torre! It's a bit windy up here,
It's lovely.
but I think you can actually see the curvature of the world from up here.
Fantastic.
What a view! We made it! On top of a mountain! It's not Everest, but it's bloody close.
Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection, lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark.
We're on top of Torre, 1,993 meters high. So what are we going to celebrate with? Sweeto, sparkling wine. Sweeto. Do you know what? I'm going to have to learn to say that properly.
We come alive.
Portugal's highest mountain. Cheers to Portugal.